This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can achieve more details while shooting with the camera on this device. So to rephrase it, in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can set the highest amount of megapixels that is possible on this particular phone. So basically, without further ado, you just gotta enter the 50M or 50 megapixels mode. It usually is laid out within the list of default camera modes, but if you cannot find it over here, just go into more section and here it will be for sure. So basically, that's pretty much it. But before I finish the video, let me take two somewhat identical pictures and see the difference between the regular photo mode and high resolution photos. Let me see if we spot any immediate difference. So, I mean, obviously, if you will zoom into your image, which was taken at the higher resolution, you'll get way more details, and all these small objects will be way better captured, and small details as well. As you can see, that is the maximum I can zoom over here without losing the quality. And in here, this zoom in thing without losing quality thing is way deeper. So let me also check the resolution difference. So here is the resolution for the high megapixels mode, and this is the resolution for the regular photo mode. As you can see, this picture is somewhat has its resolution increased twofold or twice, pretty much. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.